How to auto-generate your NFTs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can auto-generate NFTs. So let's get into it. Now, all you need to do is to go onto this tool called NFT-generator.art. From here, you're just going to click on Get Started. And from here, you can begin adding your NFTs. So I'm just going to go on ahead and start with a new project because I previously did create a project using this generator. So I'm just going to click on Get Started and I am just going to go ahead and reset my project. And now we can begin creating our project. So first off, you have your layers on the left side of your screen. Then on the center, you're going to drop down your images. And then on the right side, you can enter things like your project description, project name, collection size, dimensions, and so much more. So first off, you have to develop your layers. The first layer is going to be the background layer. And I'm just going to go on to Canva over here. And I'm just going to search for sparkles. So I'm just searching for sparkles and I just want to use a simple background for this NFT collection. So I'm just using one of these simple backgrounds and I'm just going to click on share, click on download, and I'm just going to download this right over here. And once I have downloaded it, I'm just going to put it over here on my NFT collection maker. And then I'm going to create a second background. So the second background could be like a different color, like this one. And I'm just going to place this right over here because I want the NFTs to share like a similar alignment. That is why I'm using Canva and downloading via here. You can simply upload or download your own images from wherever you would like. I'm just going to drag and drop over here. So I'm just doing this as a reference. So I'm not going to upload multiple, 5, 10 items. I'm just doing this as a reference to show you guys how you can build your collections. Let's say the next layer that I want to create is hat or body or person. So I'm just going to add entire person, like people, in my layer. So I'm just going to go on ahead and click on person. And below that, I'm just going to go into Canva. And you can use any tool like Vecteezy to get, animated illustrations. I'm just going to search in Canva. So I'm just using Canva to get this illustration over here and I'm just going to download it. And just like that, I'm downloading this illustration. And now I'm just going to drag and drop it onto my generator. Now, another great thing that you can actually do to better help your collection if you're going to use Canva is, let's say I want to use some of these images over here. And what I want to do, let's say I want to use this image in my collection. Now, what I can actually do is I can download this image. So I'm just going to click on download over here. And I'm going to go into remove.bg, and this is a simple platform that enables you to remove backgrounds of images. So you can remove the original background from any image and use the central focus or person, whatever you might want to call it, in your specific layer. So I'm just going to delete this one. And now you can drop your image over here and you can see the person is appearing above the backgrounds that we previously layered. Now from this method, you can take any free image. So you can even go on to Vecteezy and let's search for animated girl. So if I search for animated girl over here, you can see there are multiple different images and often people find, these images have backgrounds. So it's so easy to remove backgrounds. It costs you nothing. You don't have to pay anything. We're just going to download these images from Vecteezy, go into remove BG, and we're just going to extract the file like so. We're going to drag and drop it over here. And we're just going to get the background removed and now we're going to click on download and you can now upload it onto your NFT generator. And now you can see over here I've added 2 persons or people. You can take images of actual people, you can take animated illustrations. That is totally up to you. And let's say I just want to use this illustration over here, so I can just load it up over here. And then I can save it directly from Canva. And then I can just go into remove BG. So we're just going to wait for this to be downloaded and now I can remove the background and upload it onto my NFT generator like so. And now you can see I have uploaded 3 different people. Now let's say I want to add a new layer which could be decor items or any other item of your choice. You can go on ahead and add those. I would recommend that you add multiple different layers. The more layers you have, the more interesting your NFT collection will be. Make sure that you do add like a couple of different backgrounds, and you can add like gradient backgrounds. So by gradient backgrounds, I mean backgrounds where, like, let's say you have a sunset, so you can place the sun first over here, then over here, then over here, and this will give you like a gradient effect in your NFT collection. So this is another way to make your NFT collection more appealing. Make sure you have multiple different backgrounds, and make sure that you add multiple different layers to make the collection seem as appealing as possible. Now, after you have added all of the images, you can simply click on over the right side of your screen. So you can add the project name, you can add the collection size. Depending on the number of elements you add, it will actually limit your collection size. Obviously, 3 multiplied by 2, it's going to be around the range of like 6, 5, 6. So you can't generate more than 5 or 6 with only 5 elements added, but the more elements you add, the more combinations that the generator can make, it will. Once you have done that, you will simply go on ahead and connect your wallet or log in with your wallet, or you can just click on generate collection on the right side of your screen, and you can enter your email address over here, and the zip file will be completed. And now you can simply download over here, and you can see over here that our collection has been generated. Obviously, depending on how you align things, how you're going to set it all up, it's going to be saved as such. And then you also get metadata with this, and you can go on ahead and click on preview to see how it's going to be generated as well. So you can resize the images and reframe them to make sure everything fits better into the collection as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to create your own NFT collection using the NFT generator that I have used over here. It's called NFT-generator.art. It requires no coding, no money, nothing at all. You simply need to sign up with your wallet, or you can choose to just use your email. And then this will enable you to create so many different gorgeous collections with simple tools like Canva or Vecteezy, where you can download your vector images as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.